how to open a practice area and a practice area guide. So on the main menu, you want to come down to learn to play and then come down to practice area and select that. This will open up the practice area. And here you can see this little circle around the ball. You can pick the ball up or the player. So you can pick him up and move the player around. You can bring it up to the substitutes like this. Select a substitute and then bring him onto the pitch. You can select another substitute, bring him onto the pitch. Then you can select an opponent. This is the opposite side, and you can put them onto the pitch. You can do this to as many people as you wish and set up a scenario how you want to practice. Then you want to press the start button to start the video. If you ever want to, you can bring any of these players off the pitch by just moving them to the side. Then you can practice with these players. You can change these players around at any stage by just picking them up and moving them off the field. So you're now 2 against 1. And then you can start again and practice. At any stage, you can press the options where you'll be able to practice free kicks. You can actually start up a match. You can change the camera. You can change the practice difficulty. You can change the sides. You can get button help, skill move help, or you can exit the practice area altogether. So let's select a free kick. You can move the ball around and place it down and then practice your free kicks. So as we say, we can have a scenario and pick a match. If you want to practice penalties, you want to bring the menu option open again, then select free kicks, but this time, rather than dropping the ball outside the box, drop it into the penalty area, then you'll take a penalty from inside the area.